DPP seems to behave kuti account to DPP amanga ndiyoti it's automatic kuti zimene amangirazo zosenera manga for the DPP. Then mukambangani ya violence against our reporter. Reporter out on chimwa chani. What did Alex Ngosi do? Anongopita kugira ntchito yake imene amalandira makobiri pakuti mwezi yotorankani. Yofuna kuti Malawi zimene zili ku court zimene zachitika vice president wa DPP amanga ACB pano apita naye ku police kuti amusunge kena ku apange processes kena ku apita ku court. Chimene analakwa nchani. And it's a pattern. It's a pattern kuti anthu a DPP amulimbana ndi anthu a MBC. Ka MBC achimwira chani ka. Ine ndemwe chisali anandimbira phone ndi opyeza. Unikalipira ngani mwana wawo. Parangopita nthawi one of our female reporters, a young girl that we've just employed, anapita kupanga cover one of the primaries. Wina namulanda zinthu kumphanyira kumulanda mazithuzi kuononga zithuzi. Today zikuchitikaso chimozimozi. What is disappointing me is that anthu amene amalankhula pa zinthu ngati zimenezi ikakhala ndi MBC salankhula. Zosezi status uratuone blessings. Misa Malawi kaya kuli chani kaya kuchani ukula mulima babungu yana watu rankani ena so iwo so ndiwe chairman wao ka chani no sisi munalankhule chifoti ndi MBC mwine weso oralankhula ikalakhanga ruditsi is conflict of interest so wewe tukukhululukira kumaza kose sana lankhule including Gordon Matonga chairman wa Misa Malawi sana lankhule. Why? Because it's MBC. Yet MBC is MBC Arongana MBC. Nima full members are Mr. Malawi. Timalibira, we paid them only two months ago about 3 million, paying for our people. Our programs are Rakani Chadi, Kurakalema member. Therefore, they are entitled to their protection, but they are not being protected. Why? Because it's MBC. They only look at MBC Zuzgarawinga. The fact that under this government, so many good things that they are going to go MBC, nobody wants to talk about it. Even in my appointment, even my director Zanga, their appointment, strictly by the law. Since I'm going to afford I do no information here, I only say that damn I say, hey George, calling you mama, go and report to MBC. It never happened. It never happened. All my predecessors were being appointed. I'm full and deport. We're being appointed just by a phone call. From controller, secretary of operation, not even in interviews. Nobody talks about it. So to me, it's a disappointment. But what I can promise DPP, then I will say, I'm not going to stand by and see Udi and our MBC are being mistreated. We're going to pursue the matter. The police, the police, we're going to pursue the matter. We even help the police with logistics. And if I don't know to hire a lawyer to help prosecute that, we are going to do it. We're not going to sit by people as Banga Chipongwe. So I want to promise, I want to take advantage of this program, of this opinion debates. Those that thinking for the Sanko, if I'm MBC, the foreign as it is Zunguza, as Banga violent, we're going to fight it out. We'll go to court and fight it out. And I'll be prison. Because I'm not going to just to sit by and see the people as Banga Harasi and MBC. I'm not going to sit by. If the kind of, if in the past they had my director general, I'm going to fight it out. Legally, of course. We'll go to court and fight it out. Because the people should learn. And the MBC, I'm going to go to we are very proud we are saving Malawians for MBC. So do we now as a digital victims of violence because we Sanko. So I'm warning everyone. I'm going to as long as the MBC Nkopega. Not anymore, not under my watch. I don't accept it. I'm also telling anthu amene amayang'ana arakani zikomuno kuti zina bangazo ndikuona they should not think kuti ndikuona kuti akana kauti sense wapakuti mnthu waku times or mnthu waku zodiac or waku nation. By today God and Matonga would have signed the statement condemning it. By today all of these political parties were anena condemning it. But because an MBC Ntwankani, when he didn't do anything wrong, he simply went to go back a cover. Maybe I should stop there because I'm slowly losing it. Zafika personal. Because the people that they're harassing are my people. And I'm not going to stand by with and put up with this harassment. Yes.
Chabwino, ndathokoza kwambiri Mr. Kasakula.